So today I'll be showing you how to change your voice on TikTok. So let's say you've made a TikTok video. In fact, let me go ahead and upload one. So launch TikTok, go to plus, go to upload, and then I have a video like this that I had previously recorded. And if I turn up the volume, I really wanted it to be simple. And I'm going to try and make TikTok change my voice from what you're hearing right now. So as you're hearing, that's my original voice. So let me show you how to change that voice. So this is going to be my first video on TikTok. So what you want to do is, and I really wanted it to be simple. Tap on this little arrow and find this voice icon. So tap on it, and then you have all these different voices that you can change to. Okay, now if your video didn't have a voice, then you can always tap on record and record the voice you want to record. But since mine already has audio, I'll try different voices. So let me play. So this is going to be my first video on TikTok. Let me try that one.
I really wanted it to be simple, and I'm going to try and make TikTok change my voice from
what you're hearing right now to maybe Thanos or maybe another voice. Let's see how it goes. So this is going to be my first video TikTok.
And I really wanted it to be simple, and I'm going to try and make TikTok.
So you can pick any voice that you want from this collection. It's not a very long list, but it's long enough for you to be able to find something useful for you. And then once you choose your voice, you can now go next.
So this is going to be my first video TikTok, and I really wanted it to be simple, and I'm going to try and make.
So from here, you can continue with the editing process if you want to add some captions and whatever, and then continue to post your TikTok video with a changed voice. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.